Welcome to GuideUp. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to add Aptos network on Trust wallet. For that, make sure you get the application and you're logged into your account. Before entering, you need to enter your passcode. Now at this home page, at the bottom side, you can see all the cryptos. And if you scroll down a bit, there you can see the option Manage Crypto. You need to simply tap on that. Now you will be led to this kind of interface where you can see all the cryptos. Now at the search bar, you need to simply search for Aptos. And there you can see this option at the first. Now you need to simply enable the button. And now if you go back at your home page and check, then there you can see the Aptos network has been added. And this is how easily you can add Aptos network on Trust wallet. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel GuideUp. Thank you.